Hi everyone, welcome to a brief introduction to the A-Level Biology course available to both Meaden and Garibaldi students here at Meaden School. If you're interested in taking biology at A-Level, I'm going to share a few key bits of information with you and hopefully if you've got any further questions that you need to ask, then your teachers might be able to answer them at a later date. So some of you may want to study biology because you just have a general interest in that field, or it's something that you really enjoyed at GCSE, or some of you may have a specific career in mind, like some of those that you can see on the screen. Obviously the list is not extensive really on that list. There's so many things that you could go into with a career in biology, or it might just be something that you enjoyed at school and not necessarily have a career in mind yet. So what to expect from the course? It is a 2-year course and it is a linear course. That means that both of the years worth of content is going to be examined at the end of the 2 years. So in year 1 you should expect to see or experience modules such as biological molecules, which is quite biochemistry based, the understandings of the immune system, cells, but in a lot more detail than what you did at GCSE. Gas exchange in various organisms, not only humans and mammals, but also fish, insects. The control of heart rate, DNA, genetics and biodiversity. In year 2, you should expect to see some similar topics such as more genetics, but it takes it to another level, as well as photosynthesis, respiration, the ins and outs of the nervous system and homeostasis. Some of these things do look very similar to what you did at GCSE, but they take it to another level of understanding at A-Level. Now, it's not the easy science, and because of that, there are a few entry requirements in which we do require. We say that you would need a level 6 at GCSE biology. Now, if you've done a triple route, that would be 6 in your biology. If you've done a combined science route, then that would mean that the 6 came from, or one of your 6s was in your biology paper. We also say that you could do with a grade 5 in both maths and English. That is because there's a lot of words to it, there's a lot of long written answers, but the maths aspect does increase from GCSE to A-Level. What you should expect. You should expect 5 lessons of teaching per week. That's from 2 different teachers. Then we would expect that you should be doing approximately 5 lessons worth of outside learning on top of your in-class lessons. You will be expected to complete 6 required practicals. There will be more practicals on top of that, but there are some in the course similar to GCSE that you are required to do for your A-Level course, and you will get to experience those throughout your course. The second year is pretty much the same, again with 2 teachers delivering 5 lessons a week, so it would probably be a 3-2 split. And at the end of your 2-year course, you should expect to sit 3 exam papers. The first paper is all on everything that you did in year 1. The second paper is year 2 content, and paper 3 is what we call synoptic, which means that anything from year 1 and 2 could be in that paper, but then the examiners like to base that around data style questions, around the practicals and applying it to new scenarios, and there is a 25-mark essay question on that, which challenges you on bringing all of your knowledge together. Now, if you've got any further questions about what is actually in the course, if you want to find out if it's a bit more for you, then there's a link here to the AQA A-Level Biology specification, which we use for our teaching, and feel free to go and browse this at your own leisure, and hopefully that can answer some of your questions. If you've got any further questions, please ask your teachers at school and they can guide you to the right person in order to answer these. Thank you.